फ्रेंड्स, आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारा जो ट्री है वो पूरी तरह से बन चुका है और हम उसको लीव्स करेंगे ये फेंट ग्रीन कलर से, लाइट ग्रीन कलर से। ओनली ऐसे से लिया मैं अड़का देती हूँ, ऐसे ही करना है, लाइक दिस वे। I will show you now, but first we have to do like this only. And then I'm taking this lemon yellow color. We have to merge this like this way. With this yellow color only. And we'll finish this. Now I'm taking here this rose pink color. If you do not have a red color, you don't be mind. We will take here this rose pink color. And then you have to take very minimal huge and color is this. Only this lighter shade. Now it has been ready. Now is that we have to draw the bird. So you can draw with the traceable. You can draw with the help of the traceable paper. And I am showing how to draw the bird with my hands only. I am going to draw the bird with my hands only, because I have enough practice. See, like this. And when we will finish this, then we will wait. I will show you what to do now. And now I have take this deep green color. See, deep green color. Now I will color this. And I know it is not looking like a tree, but when we will merge this, it will be look like a beautiful tree. Now I will take this color. And now I will merge this two colors. So friends, you can see here. Now I will be only shading this part. And now I will draw the bird here. See, I have drawn the bird here. I have drawn a little bit faint because when we will color this, it will, I do not want to any sketch this. So for this bird, we will take the colors. I will show you. First upon, we will take this rose pink, this lemon yellow, this green, white, pink, and this dark violet. If you do not want to take these two colors, then it is okay. We will not take these two colors. And now first of all, I will give the white color to his body first. Means here. See, half a pot I have given here, and then I will give this rose pink color. Sorry, this is only the pink color. And now I will give this rose pink color here. This shade is very light and very dark, then it will look very beautiful. And now I will take this dark violet color, little bit like this. And now I will merge this with my hand only. Now you can see. Now I will take some rose pink and I will give a little bit of finish here. And now for his wings, I will give some rose pink color like this. See here. And now this dark violet like this. And now I will merge this into this. Two colors I will merge. For the dark colors only, means the background color only, we can merge with the tissue paper. It will look nice. So I'm merging with my hands this. Now I have take this pink color. See this. Now I will take this rose pink color here, like this dark violet, which I have taken there. मर्ज करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Only this dark violet I will give a shade here and I will merge this. See. And for his head, no, I will give some pink color only because, and I'm making that much only colors for the body.